A fiduciary relationship is a relationship wherein one party, typically a weaker party, reposes trust and confidence in another party, typically a stronger party, with the expectation that the stronger party will act in the best interests of the weaker party. Well, this is a difficult question to answer because it must be assessed on a case-by-case basis. Each case must be assessed on its merits. That said, typical relationships include lawyer-client, accountant-client, financial advisor-client, even, let's say, where you have a caretaker acting for a disabled person or an elderly person. That might be characterized as a fiduciary relationship as well. Typically, the hallmark is, in very general terms, the hallmark would be a situation in which a party who lacks knowledge or the acumen to participate in a situation retains a party with greater knowledge to act on their behalf and in their best interests. The manner in which a fiduciary relationship affects your legal rights really depends on which side of the relationship you're on. For the client of a fiduciary, you have the ability to scrutinize whether the fiduciary has met the standard of care to which they're held. If not, you have the ability to bring a case in court. Now, for the fiduciary, you're held to a very high standard of care, and you need to be aware of what your legal obligations are under the circumstances of that relationship. The duties that are owed by a fiduciary depend on the circumstances of the case. That said, the general duties that are owed are duties of good faith, loyalty, candor, honesty, and the duty to act in the best interests of the client and follow their instructions. You should call a lawyer, and the lawyer will be able to tell you whether you're in a fiduciary relationship, and if so, whether there's been a breach of that relationship. At my firm, we have experience in this area of law, and I myself have personally acted in these cases. As a fiduciary, you're held to a very high standard of care, and what a lawyer is going to do is be able to advise you on how to meet that standard of care and how to avoid getting into legal trouble by breaching the standard of care.